Let us take this drop down code to a separate file. So I'll simply cut this code from here, and inside this component folder I will create another file, call it add product dropdown. Add product category dropdown dot. This will be a stateful widget. And right here we will return the dropdown. Now these fields are missing. We don't have these variables in this file. So let us cut it from our previous file and paste it here. Oh, sorry, not here, right here. Hit save. And then here we will call the file. Now if I hit save, everything should work just like before. I will customize this a little. Okay, maybe not this, but the background. Let us change the background of this page to white. If you want to customize the drop down, you can do so. You can see that you can change the underline color, the underline height. You can change the style of the text and many things. You can change the elevation, meaning the drop shadow, that is called elevation. You can change the icon and everything. Okay, so now we have done the drop down. Let's make a comment right here. Category drop down, and under that we will have a text field for title. We already know how to do text field. We have done text field in many places. Let's see, we have done it in the source page right here. So we can simply copy it, or we have done it also in the login page. So that is exactly what we need. In the login page, I will simply copy this text form field from here, and right here I will paste it. Let us remove this const. Also, I'm not going to assign any controller right now, so I will remove this controller. If I hit save, and let me go to the add product page, we have the input field, but it says enter password. We want it to say enter product title, or just enter title. We also want a label, just like the login page. Inside the login page, on top of the input field, we had a label. So let us copy that from the login screen and paste it on top of this input field. Right here it should say title. Hit save. Okay, now they should be left aligned. So in our column, we're going to say cross-axis alignment should be at the start. And just like this title, we will have another field called description. Let me make the comment a little bit better. So if you see in our database, we have a title field, we have a description field. Now let us make the description field. We have already added the category dropdown to select the category. Now let us make the description field. So I will simply copy and paste it, this thing again, and rename it to description. enter description. It's saved. Now we have a field for description. Next, we need a field for price. I will copy it again and paste it. This field is for price. In text will be enter price. Okay, the price field is here. Now, when the user is typing, the keyboard should show only numeric value. It shouldn't show these text fields. So, what we can do, inside the input decoration, there is something. I forgot the name. Let me see in suggestion. Okay, I forgot how to make the keyboard only numeric. So let me search real quick in Google. Okay, I remember. You have to set keyboard type to text input type dot number. So there is something called keyboard type in the text form field, not inside the decoration. So keyboard type should be text input type dot number. Let me copy it real quick and paste it here. Now, if I go to this price field, it will show me the numbers in the keyboard. Awesome. Okay, next we have a field for image link. We will pick the image from gallery. Okay, we have only two fields left. One is for is featured, another one is for image link. Now for the is featured, I will take a switch. If you don't know what a switch is, I will show you. If I search for switch Flutter in Google and go to the official documentation, there is a nice example right here. Let me copy it. And under this right here, I will paste it. Now for the value, we can take a variable right here, call it is featured. By default, it will be false. And here in the switch, I will assign that value is featured that we just created. And when the user selects, meaning when the user clicks on it, this unchanged will be called. In that case, we want to change the value of is featured equal to the new value that the user just selected. Remove this semicolon from the end. We don't need semicolon. Now if I hit save, there should be a switch and I can just click it, turn it off or on. Now we don't want it this way. There should be a text which says is featured or is this product featured. So I will wrap this switch in a row. So I can add a text like this. The text should say is this product featured. If I hit save right now, the text says this. Let me make it a little bigger. maybe 15. Awesome. Now I want the switch to be go at the end. So in the row, I will say main axis alignment should be space between. Also, there should be some spacing right here. So I'll take a sized box right here. Give it a height, maybe 20. Awesome. It's working. Let me comment it. Let me comment this section so it's easily findable. Okay, great. Now we will need another field to pick image. I will simply just take a button. So when the user clicks on the button, he can pick the image from gallery. I'll comment it and say pick image. I'll just take a default button, elevated button. Awesome. The button shows. Let me put some more spacing on top. Okay, this tutorial was only for front end. In next tutorial, we will show how to pick image from gallery.